many of our statistics come out as a preliminary version. Sometimes it's just a preliminary and a final. Sometimes, specifically for the national level GDP, we do this first release, second release, third release. And the reason that that happens is that when that production schedule was set up, the people who care most about that number said, we would rather have as much as you can tell us as soon as possible, rather than wait for the complete picture. So we produce, and I'll talk a little bit more about this, or maybe I won't since I'm talking about it now. We produce a level of national GDP on a quarterly basis, and the first number comes out 1 month after the end of the quarter. Well, clearly, many of the businesses involved in producing the data underneath that number haven't gotten everything together yet. So we take as much data as we can, we model some of it, and release our first estimate. Then 2 months go by, we get more and more data, so that number becomes sharper and sharper and more refined. We produce a second estimate. By 3 months after the end of the quarter, we have that complete data set, and so we produce the final estimate. And people would rather have it that way, rather than waiting 3 months to find out what the economy was doing on a month-to-month basis.